What you'll need: 1. An Apple Silicon Mac running one of the following macOS and logged in with an admin account. 2. You have at least a 16GB blank USB flash drive and is formatted with the following settings using disk utility. Name: USB 1 or whatever name you like, and format macOS Extended Journaled as shown. 3. Have a copy of macOS Sequoia downloaded from the App Store and that is located in the Applications folder. 4. In a plain text document, copy and paste the one-line terminal command which I've included in the description below, replacing name of USB disk with that of yours, which in my case is USB 1. 5. Final steps. Open terminal, then copy and paste the one-line terminal command from the text document and press the return key. After entering your admin password and pressing the return key, the creation of macOS Sequoia Bootable Installer will begin. I'll just time-lapse it from here. In my case, it took just under 5 minutes to complete. Thumbs up if you like this episode, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified of the next upcoming episode. Peace.